After using the watch for about a week, I was curious to salvage the lighter 33.5mm dial. One major problem I had with it that the hour markers were under the inner bezel. What I did was to remove the hour markers altogether and check how it fits inside the case. The color match is very accurate. I ended up clipping the hour markers, just enough to fit to the inner bezel. After gluing those back on the dial, I decided to reassemble the watch with this lighter dial. This is the result, and as a bonus, it is also more legible. I was also able to remove the Seiko logo without scratching the dial. This watch looks best with dark straps.